Good afternoon, everyone. Trying something a little different today. This here is obviously used to be a farmer's field. It's right in the middle of town. They're knocking all this down. There's a barn right there. I think they're gonna make a road through here. But anyway, I'm hunting this little clear cut, little construction area. You never know. So it's been raining all day. I didn't want to go to the lake, so I thought I'd come out here and hunt. I drive by it all the time. Look at that. I ain't been here 15 minutes. It's not the nicest. I'm real happy to find it. I didn't expect to find anything. It's pretty cool. The only problem is you can't tell where the level is. See, here's where the trees are, and they've got this all cut up and moved around. It's a mess out here. And I see some trees here, so that's close to the level. That's where I tried to hunt first, and man, I already got one. I'm gonna hunt this some more and see what else I can find. I'll see you later. Well, hello again. I don't have a point. I just wanted to kind of show you how close I am to town. I'm in town. And to show you how I'm looking here. There's a lot of quartz here, but most of it's little pebbles. It's not really what I'm looking for. It's really wet. It's been raining like crazy. A lot of this glazed pottery here from the old home place. Anyway, it looks like a field, but all this grass is kind of just getting started, so there's a lot of dirt exposed. You don't know where to look at a spot like this, so I'm just gonna ramble around. Here's what's left of the old home place. It burnt down. Here's all the brush pile. Found that point on the other side over there. Here's the little barn. It's burnt down too. Kind of neat though. A lot of briars. Oh, it's messy. Alright, I hunted that spot about another hour. Just rambled around. It's hard to tell where to look. And didn't find anything else, so I'm happy to find one. See you later. Well, got it all cleaned up. That's the only sign of early man that I found. Pretty happy with it. I went the next day. I went hiking in the mountains and on the trails. I found this little guy. Broke tip. It's got a little bevel on it. Kind of crude. Well, that's all I found in the last 2 days. It done turned cold again here, so we'll try to get out and hunt soon. Later.